Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial based in Photoshop with myself, Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and it is my absolute pleasure yet again to welcome you back here today. The reason why we are here, guys, is to discuss a very cool effect that you can do in Photoshop called duotone double exposure. As you can see, we have a example of what I'm talking about right in front of us now. Very cool, which you could use across many different types of design. And what I'd like to do today is show you how you can simply create this type of effect. So what I'm going to do is go to our another tab here. And as you can see, I've opened up the original image. Now, if you notice from our example, we have two copies of the same image. So what I would need to do is duplicate this entire layer. And I can do that either by pressing Command J on the Mac or Control J on Windows. And there we go. So as you can see, we have the two layers with exactly the same image on both of them. What I'm now going to do on the Mac is press Command T or Control T on Windows to be able to bring up my transform options. I'm then going to right click and I can flip this layer horizontally. Perfect. Press enter to confirm. So I have my original lady now facing to the left. And obviously the layer below is her originally facing to the right. Now, with the top layer highlighted, what you simply can do is go to Effects, Blending Modes, or what I like to do is double click the layer, which will bring up your layer style. You'll notice in your blending options here, you have the RGB channels. What I'm simply going to do is remove the R channel like so, which gives you the effect of duotone double exposure. What you can also do is remove some of the different channels like the G channel there if you're interested to get a different type of effect. I'm a big fan of removing the R channel. And then we press OK. And there you see, and there you have it. There is a very good example of duotone double exposure. Guys, if you are interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the courses that we offer and our tutors, please give us a visit on www.blueskygraphics.co.uk. You can also check out some of our amazing work from our amazing students on our Instagram page at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Guys, thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you next time.